Good day everyone, we are team UrbanLite from SMK Tuanku Rahman. Let us introduce ourselves. Hi, my name is Suhaimi.
Hi, my name is Faiq.
And I am Qhalif.
Our city door, potholes and crack have become more than dust and aerosol. They are dangerous to driver, costly to repair, and disruptive to daily life.
Traditional repair often means closing roads, slowing traffic, and spending a lot of money. We ask ourselves, call a small robot repair road on the spot without causing delay.
That's where Patchmate comes in. It's designed to detect road damage early and repair it instantly, so the problem won't come worse.
Built with Lego EV3, it's lightweight, modular, and easy to modify. We add 2 color sensors to spot change in the road surface, like crack or hole.
A touch sensor is added to start the program, while 2 powerful motors keep it steady even on uneven road.
There are also a patching system that will go up and down after sensing the potholes and work triggering repairs on the spot. Our patching mechanism applies material directly into the detect. They smooth it out, making it ready for vehicle to pass the right way.
We tested it on small potholes, adjusting and sensor for accuracy. The repair were strong, smooth, and all done in minutes.
And the best part, no full road closure, Patchmate work while traffic keep moving.
This means less disruption, lower cost, and safer road for everyone.
Our design is also educational for school, universities, or research group can adapt Patchmate for learning, robotics, and engineering.
We are proud that Patchmate is practical, affordable, and innovative.
It's a step towards smarter, more sustainable city.
Repairing road, building safer city.
Patchmate, thank you.